Hi everyone, my name is Jamie Hord. I'm the founder of Hordely Professional Organizing, and today we're working with one of our clients, Morgan Klein, who's a fashion influencer and new mom. She just moved into her new home, and today we're going to unpack and set up her dream closet. The three most important tips that I would give for any master closet would be to declutter, streamline your hangers, and label. Especially if you're sharing the closet, labeling is going to be key.
Oh my god! Stop! This is amazing! Yes!
Here we are.
My god!
Everything's labeled with these raw dividers, and it goes in front of the category. Okay? And then within each category, it's by color. Dark to light. So as you'll see, like everything, each side, everything's facing this way.
Yes,
okay?
That's perfect.
So when you hang things, you know, like this will be this direction, and this side's that direction. Okay. So how do you like the baskets?
I love them, and I know I was questioning them.
Each basket has its own category, and everything's labeled. Baskets are key to creating containment for each of your categories. One challenge we ran into in Morgan's closet is that there weren't many drawers. She had a lot of shelving and a lot of folded clothes, and we wanted to bring in baskets for these folded clothes. And then this is your long sleeve jumpsuits.
Okay.
Short sleeve jumpsuits.
Oh, I like how they're folded like that.
Yes, long sleeves, short sleeve, sleeveless.
Okay.
And then your shoes, as you can see, you do one behind the other a little bit, and that's gonna save you space.
It does save space. Okay, good.
So like, basically you've got your tall boots on the bottom, then you've got your booties, and then your combat boots.
Okay.
Tennis shoes here in the middle, your sneakers, like slip-ons, and then lace sneakers, and then these are all heels.
Okay.
And these are like summer heels. One tip for shoes is try to organize them on shelves if possible. You can either alternate shoes to create more space, or if you have enough space, you can just do them side by side. Okay, so this is your bag section. We love using purse stuffers to keep the purse standing up straight. And then for clutches, we love using a clutch divider. And then here we've got hats, travel, sports bras, and then your workout down here. Here we've got all of your bottoms. So these are dress pants, and then all of your jeans. So sorted by color. This is your going out sets.
Okay.
Okay, so like your nicer sets. You've got flannels, long sleeve tops, off the shoulder tops, your bodysuits, short sleeve, and sleeveless tops.
Wow. I like pictured it being perfect, and it's like 100 times even better than I pictured it, I swear. Thank you guys. Oh, yawning. She loves it too.
Through that.
Yeah, wow, you did so good.
Wow.
My favorite part of this closet is, I mean, everything is amazing, but the shoe wall. I always just feel like I never have enough space for shoes, and putting them in bins sometimes isn't like helpful for me, so I just love that they're all displayed perfectly. I feel like this is my own private little store of all my stuff, and it's just so amazing.